CNC vertical and horizontal drilling and milling integrated machine. Today, we show you the exquisite craftsmanship of vertical and horizontal integration. This advanced equipment combines the advantages of vertical and horizontal machining, enabling efficient and accurate drilling, milling, and chamfering processes. Touchscreen parameter input correction, program-free, pre-stored with multiple parameters, and the size data can be edited and stored by the customer. High-precision tool setter, automatic tool setting, convenient and fast. The high-speed spindle power head feeds horizontally to punch the side of the workpiece plate. Mill and broach aluminum alloy, steel pipe, plastic profile, and other materials. XYZ 3-axis linkage left, right, front, back, up and down to process various complex hole forms. For servo control of each axis realizes precise motion paths, speed and other parameters, and realizes complex and high precision drilling, milling and cutting. Vertical round hole can be punched. Vertical slot pulling. This is the masterwork of vertical and horizontal processing, perfect and flawless. Quickly punch aluminum alloy yarn profile. Efficient punching for pipes of various shapes such as metal square, round and irregular rectangle. Perforated and grooved plastic PVC, PE pipes can also be used, and the effective processing length can reach 6 m.